Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how much Honeybook takes for transaction and what are the costs of using Honeybook. Before we start, if you're thinking about using Honeybook, you can use my discount link for 20%, and it's going to be down below in the description when you're going to scroll on this video, and you're going to get 20% off with Honeybook using my link, and you would get 20% off for 1 year. So that's like bonus for you if you want to use Honeybook. And now when we come here and when we look here, like what are the fees, we can see clearly that, okay, they got transaction processing fees. Processing fees support the Honeybook platform and let us drive your credit fees down through economy of scale. The fees are deducted from your total before it's deposited into your account. So credit card payments, flat fee of 3%. A bank transfer, flat fee of 1.5%. Cash or check payments, no fee at all. And that's pretty much how the transaction processing fee works on Honeybook. So again, you can have the 20%. So on annual plan, if you're going to choose, let's say you would choose an annual plan for $390. 90. You're going to save $78 if you're going to choose the annual plan, which is goddamn amazing. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day. And you can also get with unlimited monthly if you want to. So have a great day and goodbye. See ya.